Isa sa mga nag-introduce ng thriller genre sa Viva One with this original series called Deadly Love. Ngayong 2025, he takes the lead in directing sa pinakaniintay natin na adaptation ng Bad Genius in the series. Handa na siyang maghatid ng kapanabik-nabik na Pinoy version ng kwentong ito. Everyone, a warm welcome to Direk Derek Cabrido. There we go. Hi, Direk. I'm super. That was a very killer trailer. Now, Direk, you want to say your highs and hellos to everybody na dito ngayon?
Hello. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And maraming po salamat sa pagpunta sa aming press conference media call for Magic.
There we go. Thanks so much. Direk, we'll hear from you later. Meanwhile, upo ka muna dyan and relax. It's gonna be a long road today. Kaya naman, what about we call the cast? Alright, I know you're all excited. I can feel it. And the moment that you guys have been waiting for has finally arrived because it's time to meet the faces behind the schemes, the minds behind the mind games, the brilliant cast of Bad Genius the series. Can you guys hype me up today? Hype me up, hype me up! There we go. First up, you know what? She's the ultimate it girl. Stylish, yep, social, and effortlessly charming. Pero do not be fooled, okay? Behind that dazzling smile of hers, ay isang taong alam eksakto kung paano makuha ang gusto niya. She's confident, yes. She's strategic, yes. And plays the game like a queen. Let's give it up for Hyacinth Caliado as Grace. There we go, Hyacinth Caliado, you look so amazing today. But you wanna greet everybody here bago tayo magsimula?
Hello po, everyone. Thank you guys for all being here. I'm so excited and also a little nervous, but I feel so proud of everyone and I'm so excited for you guys to, just be here with us. So thank you.
You're excited, I can feel it. Yeah, take a seat, Haya. Enjoy. All right. There we go. Haya's in the house. Kaya naman, dagdagan pa natin yung cast. Because next up is a cool guy and always ready with a signature smile. Pero do not underestimate him, you guys, because he knows exactly how to play the game. Lahat kaya solusyonan ng pera. Sa game na ito, hindi lang siya player. He's a smooth operator. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Gab Lagman as Pat. There we go. Gab Lagman in the house. Gab, you want to say your highs and hellos? Ang dami dito sumusuporta sa'yo. There we go, brother.
Hello. Here you go. Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. And maraming salamat sa pagbigay ng time nyo for today's event. And sana po mag-enjoy nyo. Thank you.
There we go. Thank you so much, brother. Have to take a seat. Alright, tabihan mo na si Haya dyan. Alright, eto na. You know what? The next guy is someone who hates cheating. Super competitive at gusto niya laging tama ang ginagawa. Pero para sa kanyang dear nanay, handa niyang lunukin ang pride at gawin ang lahat in order to survive. Handa nang masukat ang kanyang prinsipyo. Here is Jairus Aquino bilang back! There we go, Jairus! Grabe, pogi as always, but you know what? They're waiting for you and they cannot wait to see you act on screen. But you want to say your highs and hellos to everybody first?
Ay, hello po sa inyo lahat. Sa press, thank you for coming. And sa mga supporters namin, maraming salamat sa support at pagmamahal. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, Jairus. Take a seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Wow, oh my gosh, malapit na tayo makompleto because the moment, yeah, I can see all your phones na lahat nakataas na. Yup, make some noise. More, guys, more. This is the moment that you all have been waiting for. She is the brains behind the biggest moves, the mastermind, the strategist, the game changer. At sa larong ito, she doesn't just play to win. She rewrites the rules. In order to beat the system, she will cheat her way out. Please give a big round of applause for Atasha Mulak! Atasha, what is up? You look so beautiful as always. But, Atasha, you want to greet everybody first before we proceed?
Yes, magandang hapon everyone. Thank you guys for being here today. I see a lot of familiar faces and let's have fun.
Thank you so much, Natasha. Enjoy and just chill. This is gonna be a long ride for everybody, and I'm super excited to continue on with this because, you know what, Bad Genius, the series kasi, wouldn't be complete without its powerhouse cast. Sila ang mga karakter na magbibigay kulay at thrill sa buhay ng ating mga bida na sina Lynn, Bank, Pat, at Grace. So all eyes guys sa ating screen because we have a VDR just for you. Let's watch this. So, I think it's best to proceed with the question and answer. Again, maraming salamat sa presence po ng ating media friends na nandito ngayon. And this is going to be the much-awaited Q&A session. Members of the press, this is your opportunity to ask the cast and the direct about their experiences and insights into the series. For our press and media friends, gentle reminder lamang po to please ask relevant questions only, of course. Strictly avoid sensitive and personal questions. Please remain respectful to the cast and creators. Only series-related questions will be entertained. Take note, one question for each media person. Alright, guys, are you ready to get to know them more? Yes! Alright, I'm super... Grabe naman yun. Okay, let's proceed. For our first media person, may I call on from Abante, Sir Jun Lalin.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yan. Atasha, congratulations. Yeah. You gave up a lot for Bad Genius, di ba, the series. So, syempre hindi ka namin papanood sa Itbulaga sa ngayon because of this. Pero, yun nga, Atasha, super yung pagtutok mo siya. Super kinakabahan ka rin ka. Kasi, syempre, we all know kung gaano ka-successful yung time na yung original Neko, di ba? So, gaano ka-tense, gaano ka gaano ka na-tense. Lalo na, syempre, your brother, ang bongga ng amutya ng section.
Siyempre naman kinakabahan ako kasi first kong project, tapos it was a big shift from coming from EV and to now doing a serious project. But nonetheless, like I said before in the cast reveal, with a project like this was such a great opportunity and a great blessing that I would never take it for granted. And I can happily say now that we've been taping that we all gave our 100% and we hope that you guys enjoy it.
Ano yung pinaka-challenging na ginawa?
Sa totoo lang po, lahat. Everything was challenging, but I always believe in the saying that nothing good comes easy. So you always have to give it your best, give it your all, and obviously put in your heart into the work that you do.
Yan. Pero ito ang tatanong ko yung sa inyong apat, how's bilang director? Kasi he's really nice, di ba? Parang barkada, I'm sure, di ba? Ganun, he's always nice kanino naman dahil siya. Pero once na rumurolyo na yung camera, kumusta siya? Or kumusta siya pag nasa set na kayo? Terror ba siya?
Ay, hindi po. Actually, this would have been able to happen without the help of Direct. So lahat ng scenes namin, with Direct, he would always guide us, he would give us ideas on how to attack the scene, what emotions are needed, and as a newbie actor, it gave me a lot of confidence and it made me really happy and made me enjoy it more, the whole process of taping. Thank you, Direct.
How you see it?
Actually, before we went on stage, we and Direct had a moment together. I was like, sabi ko, we couldn't even finish our moment kasi sabi ko, later na lang, I might start crying. But I'm just super thankful for Direct kasi he's really pushed me a lot. He's really challenged me and he pushes all of us to really putting our true authenticity into our characters and into each scene. So I'm super thankful to Direk. He's definitely helped me grow so much as an actress. And I'll always be so thankful to you.
God.
For me, really grateful and thankful to work to direct very talented director, and he wanted the specific things, and he really pushed us to be the best version of being an actor, and I really appreciate that since the beginning. He told me that he wanted me something different na mabigay ko dito sa mga ibang shows ko, and I really appreciate that. And yung collaboration namin sa mga scenes, kung may gusto akong i-add, and he lets me, so I'm just grateful to be working with him.
Jairus?
Derek is so brilliant, grabe. Hindi din na sa kanya, hindi din lalabas lahat ng best namin dito. And I'm just so happy and honored to work with him. Acting is learning pa rin talaga. Hindi yun humihinto. So, dami ko pa rin ikuhan kay Derek. And what's really nice is talagang hinahayaan niya kaming gawin yung gusto namin. And pare-parehas kami ng vision sa utak namin at kami nagko-collaborate. Kaya happy kasi parang wala kaming boundaries doing our stuff na we just let ourselves be. So yeah, very happy and honored. And sana maka-work ulit si Derek kasi sobrang galing talaga niya.
Ang bongga, no? Puro-puri kayo. Wala man lang bat. Pero ikaw, Direk, ikaw ba hindi na-trauma din sa apat na yan?
To be honest, sobrang dali silang katrabaho, Tito June. Of course, nandun na may mga time na kailangan maging seryoso ng set, may mga time na kailangan talaga silang i-push doon sa mga specific scenes. And one thing na sobrang grateful ako na sila yung napili for this casting para po sa Bad Genius. I mean, nakita ko kasi kung paano lahat ng nabago yung variations ng mga characters. Sabi ko nga always, lagi ko nga sinasabi na parang every piece or every series or every project that I do, it's always a collaboration between the director and the artist.
Yeah.
And one thing that is so important is that how much good or kung kahit anong ibigay na direction ng isang director, ang makikita pa rin sa camera artiste, sila pa rin yung huling-huli na magbibigay buhay dun sa character. And for this one, there are things na ginawa sila na hindi ko ini-expect. May mga eksena na, uy, hindi ako yan, sila na yan. I mean, nakikita ko yun. And from there, napaglalaroan ko.
Pero ang bongga, di ba? Kasi Jody, Yola Pascual, tapos kayo, di ba? Nakaka-proud na madirect na isang Derek Cadrido. Yan, thank you. Hindi ako sumunod sa one question kasi nung last press con, ako lang sumunod sa one question. The rest after me, ang daming tanong. So, pinalihan ko. Yun na.
Maraming salamat, Sir June Lalen. Alright, there we go. Next up is from TV5 Digital. Let's call in Von Belinario.
Hi everyone, congratulations. Talagang we're looking forward to this adaptation. Yung siguro yung first question ko ay for the cast, Gab, Hyacinth, Jairus, and Atasha. Sa tingin nyo, while doing the project, while filming the series, how will you equal or surpass the original Thai version? Being nalulocalize yung eksena at yung storya based din sa nangyayari dito sa ating bansa. Anyone can answer first. Bank?
Try tayo. Hindi. Paano ba? Kasi it's hard to say na paano may equal eh. Kasi at the end of the day, we did our very best. We did our own interpretation of the series. We did our own touch dun sa kada characters and own stories. Kasi this time, we tackled family, friends, and other stuff pa about, cheating and all about the series itself. So, ang hirap i-equalize, but I just know na parang ma-equalize or susubukan namin higitan kasi ginawa talaga namin yung best namin dito. Like, more than 100%. Si Gab lumabas sa comfort zone niya, Hana lumabas sa comfort zone niya, si Tash binigay niya yung best niya na first time natin makikita na yung Tash na ganito. And ako, iba rin yung ginawa namin ni Direk dito. So, just being different from it, won't equal everything dun sa Thai, but we're just gonna do our best para ma-enjoy ng mga tao yung series na to.
Hi Gab, you wanna add to that?
this series po kasi, yung peg po, very edgy, you know, yung scenes, parang hindi naman po ka-copy-paste syempre, pero syempre we want it to be different din as well, more of Filipino touch, more on family, ano ba yung pinagdadaanan ng isang Pat, syempre mayaman siya, di ba? Pero syempre deep inside, meron din siyang pinagdadaanan sa loving family niya, which is his dad. And also, yung mga iba't ibang characters, we have some issues, especially sa pagkakaibigan. And yeah, me and Derek talked about it. We don't want to be like, okay, ito ako bahin natin. We wanted to have a different version na Pat compared sa series sa movie. So, yun po.
Hyacinth?
And to add on to the Pinoy touch, you know, every culture deals with its own different issues, whether it's in terms of family or in school or in general as a society. So of course, we shed more light into the difference into our Philippine culture. But then of course, there are still some similarities being in both Asian cultures.
Of course, Lynn herself, Natasha.
Lahat naman nagsabi, pero adding on to what they all said, of course, we never, going into this project, we never had the mindset of how are we going to hit that mark as the other remakes. It was more of, let's just embrace the Pinoy culture of family, friendship, and how we go through struggles through our own morality choices. And I hope that that reflects here in Genius. And also, I think more importantly, we all gave our 100%. We gave our best, and we hope that you guys enjoyed that.
Pahabol ko lang for Direk, ang daming bata at kabataan na nanonood ng Viva One. And of course, Bad Genius is exploring the cheating scheme. Diba? Sabi nga sa series, bad moves, great moves, genius moves, bad choices. Sa tingin nyo, paano nyo siniguro na hindi ma-encourage ng series yung makakuha ng idea ng pag-cheat ang mga bata at mga estudyante na nanonood at manonood ng Bad Genius?
Since nung sinimula naman na i-conceptualize yung buong material, one thing din na sinigurado namin is that hindi magkaroon ng wrong message yung buong series. And then, to be honest, marami kaming binago kahit nung nag-shoot na kami. Kasi nagre-revise pa rin kami ng script just to be sure na tama yung messaging ng buong series. Just to give you dito na parang clue about it, na parang we always go back to the core of the series na parang ano yung moral lesson dito and why we should highlight this moral lesson na kapag natapos nilang panoorin yung series, hindi nila isipin na parang, wait lang, kumbaga, ina-hype namin yung pag-cheat. More on ang pinafocus namin doon sa series is that what is the moral lesson behind this? And then, what are the consequences of the actions of a person na ginawa nila to? And one thing that I like to do, or I would rather say na bagay na masaya ko about this is that Viva and the whole creatives, sila Nils, sila JC, sila Derek Ronnie, we made sure na perfect yung script doon sa messaging namin na hindi kami magkakamali. Kasi nga, guys, parang ang hirap baka mamaya matake into consideration nila na parang, uy, wait lang, okay lang pala mag-cheat. Parang sinugurado ng Viva yun. And ng buong creatives yung kumbaga na malinaw yung messaging namin dito na there are consequences for each action na gagawin natin.
Thank you so much, sir. There we have it. Let's proceed with Robert Regentina from Manila Bulletin.
Hello, good afternoon. One question lang, fun question lang ito, no? Hypothetical. Direk, kasama ka rin dito. Okay, given the chance, given the opportunity, super rich, super attractive, or super genius, and why?
For me, super genius. Because I think if you're super rich, yung kailangan parang feel like wala akong pagdadaanan eh. At least yung super genius, you're gonna work hard for it, you know, like either business or whatever it is. And I don't know, it's just super cool to be genius. Yeah.
Ako siguro super genius. Sorry. Ako siguro super genius din. Kasi baka makaisip ako ng genius ways para maging super rich. Diba? Eh baka maging super attractive ako kasi super genius ako. So yeah, baka super genius.
super genius because I think that is a great asset to have. And I think that can bring you many places in life.
Super genius. Same with what Kuya said, like, you could use that to become super rich as well. And when it comes to attractiveness, I don't think that's the most important thing in life because it's something that can just go away in a second.
Ako,
Kakaiba.
oo, kasi itong kay Jairus, siguro super rich kasi genius na ako. It's a joke. And then, I mean, of course, gusto mo rin syempre na definitely maging genius ka, di ba? Parang, kung matalino ka ng tao, parang alam mo na kagad kung ano magagawin mong decision sa life mo.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Tatandaan namin yan direct. Thank you so much. Of course, next we have from Rider PH, Jojo Panalikan.